back. In this session, we will discuss a few multiplication tricks that may help you in your competitive exams to solve a problem in a less time. Okay, so let us move on to the concept. So in this session, we are going to discuss easy multiplication tricks. Okay, so let us move on to the concept straight away. So here I am gonna discuss two tricks, and this is going to be the trick 1, and these are all the conditions that are to be fulfilled in order to apply this trick. Okay, so here I have mentioned two conditions. The first condition is sum of the numbers in units place is 10. Okay, so they will give two numbers, you need to find the product of the two. That itself is the multiplication, right? Two numbers they will give. So whatever the numbers that they give, in both the numbers you have to take the numbers which are in units place. Okay, so if you add the two numbers in units place, the sum must be equals to 10. Okay, that is the first condition. And the next condition is the digits other than that in units place. Okay, so if you take the two given numbers, the digits which are present other than in units place. Okay, so the first condition is the sum of the digits in units place must be equals to 10, and the second condition is what are all the remaining numbers that are there in the two numbers, the remaining numbers must be same in two numbers. Okay, so here I have given an example. So here it is 114 and 116. So this is a pair of numbers of which product you need to find. Okay, so here in units place 4 is there and here it is 6. Okay, if you add these, the sum must be equals to 10. Okay, 4 plus 6, the sum is to be equals to 10. 4 plus 6 is 10. Okay, and the second condition is what are all the remaining digits that are there. Okay, so here in units place it is 4, in tens place it is 1, and in hundreds place it is again 1. Okay, in tens place and hundreds place it is same in both the numbers. Okay, here also it is 11 and here also it is 11. And when it comes to the units place, here it is 4 and here it is 6. If you add both, the sum must be equals to 10. Okay, this is the condition. Okay, and what is the applicability? So I am giving the pairs of numbers from 1 to 100 for which the trick is applicable. Okay, so these are all the pairs of numbers to which the same trick can be applied. Now let us see how to solve this. Okay, so here it is the trick 1. So these are the two conditions. Okay, let us see the first condition, sum of the numbers in units place is 10. Okay, so here I have written some examples. Okay, you just have a look. Okay, so this is the units place, right, for the two numbers. The sum of the numbers in units place must be equals to 10. Okay, so 2 plus 8 10, 3 plus 7 is 10, 1 plus 9 is 10. Okay, like that. Okay, whatever the number that is present in units place, if you add the two numbers, the sum must be equals to 10. Okay, that's our first condition. Okay, and what's our next, the second condition? The digits other than in units place. Okay, so it is not a condition that it must be a 2-digit number. There may be 3-digit number also. Okay, so here the digits other than in units place. Okay, if you leave the units place, so if it is a 2-digit number, only one digit will be left over, that is in tens place. Okay, but if it is a 3-digit number, then there will be two numbers, one in tens place and the other in hundreds place. Okay, so like that. So here whatever the remaining numbers that are present. Okay, so for suppose if we take 117. Okay, so here if you just leave the units place, so whatever the numbers that are present in tens and hundreds place, okay, so that must be same in two numbers. Suppose if 117 is one number and 113 will be the other. Okay, so here the numbers which are other than in units place, that is 11, right? So this is in tens place and this is in hundreds place. Okay, so these must be same. Okay, and whatever the numbers that are present in units place, here it is 7 and here it is 3, if you add them, the sum must be 10. Okay, so if you add the numbers that are present in units place, the sum must be equals to 10 and the remaining numbers must be the same. Okay, so these are the two conditions that must be fulfilled in order to do these quick multiplications. Okay, so let us now move on to the procedure how to solve these multiplications. Okay, so now let us solve them, how to do the multiplication very easily within 2 seconds. Okay, let us see now. Okay, so here what you do is, so whatever the numbers that are present in units place, okay, so here it is 2, right, and here it is 8, just simply multiply them. Okay, so here 2 into 8, that is what, 16, right? So 1 6. Okay, so 2 8s are 16. Then what you do is, here it is 2, right, here also it is 2. So what comes after 2? 3, right? 2 comma 3, 2 3 4 5 like that. After 2 what comes? 3 comes. Okay, so 2 into 3, 2 into 3 how much? 6, right? So 6 1 6 will be the product of these two numbers. Okay, so now let us have a look. So now let us solve this one. So here in units place 3 and 7 are there. Okay, so 3 into 7 21, and here same 3 is there. What comes after 3? What comes next to 3? 4, right? 3 4s are 12. Okay, so 12. So 1221 will be the product of these two. Okay, so now let us solve the next one. So 1 into 9, 1 into 9, 9 only, but you have to write that as 0 9. 0 9. Okay, so whatever the product, if it is a 2-digit number, that is fine, you can write it straight away, but it is a single digit number, you have to add a 0 to it. Okay, so as here it is 9, right, so we have written it like 0 9. If it is 4 0 4 0 5 0 6 like that, you have to add the 0 and you have to write. Okay, so here the other number is 4. Okay, so what comes next to 4? 5, right? 4 into 5, that is 20. Okay, so 2009 will be the product of these two numbers. Okay, so like that. So let us solve few more. So now here 4 into 6, that is 24, right? 24. 5 5. Okay, what comes next to 5? That is 6, right? 5 6 are 30. Okay, so 3024, that is nothing but 3024 will be the product of these two numbers. Okay, so now it is 75 into 75. What is 75 into 75? 75 square. Okay, so I will make another video how to find the squares from 1 to 100. Okay, so anyhow you will be knowing the squares from 1 to 20. Okay, but how about 1 to 100? I mean 20 to 100. Okay, so I will make another video to how simply find the squares of a number. Okay, and even how to find the root of a number. Okay, like that we will make a few more videos on that, how easily, how simply you can do all those calculations. Okay, so now let us solve this. So as usual, whatever is present in units place, that you have to multiply. 5 into 5, that is 25, right? 25. 7 7. Okay, what comes next to 7? That is 8. 7 into 8, 56, right? 56. So 5625 will be the product of those two numbers. Okay, so now here 2 8. 2 8s are 16. 1 6. 9 9. What comes next to 9? That is 10. 10 into 9, that is 90. Okay, so 9016 will be the product of these two numbers. Okay, so this is how very simply you can do these multiplications. Okay, so it is very easy, within a fraction of 2 seconds you can easily solve them. Okay, but provided whatever the two given numbers, those must satisfy the two conditions. Okay.